What do you do, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to Now at Home. I was getting ready to fake the funk and act like I made my breakfast. Y'all, I didn't make this. I did not make this. I went to a French cafe and I bought this, put it in a nice little white plate to make it look like I made this. I cooked this and I'm enjoying my breakfast just for the aesthetic. But I ain't gonna fake the fun because your girl can't even make an omelet. I know how to make scrambled eggs, but I don't know how to make an omelet. So I'm just gonna be eating my breakfast and then we're gonna get our day going. So what I have in store today is to go to Walmart. I wanna get green moss, or artificial green moss for the bowl that I purchased from Target. And I'm gonna clean up a little bit because my place is a hot mess. And I have to clean my lanterns. It's been raining the last couple of days and I just haven't gotten the chance to do it. So when it rains, the lantern that I purchased that I showed you in the previous video, it builds up mildew. I think that's what it is. So a friend of mine told me the way I could get rid of it if I add bleach and I guess soap or water, and then it will remove it and then seal it after I clean it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast before I get the day going. This is good. This is real good. Guys, this is the bowl that I purchased from Target. I kind of like it with nothing in it, but at the same time, I think it will look a whole lot better if I fill this bowl up with artificial green moss. Anything green will always make the living space more lively and more aesthetically pleasing. It will always look good. I have my balcony door open. That's why you hear a lot of cars, but we're gonna try to ignore that. You guys, oh, let me show you guys this. If my TV was mounted up on the wall, I think this, let me fix it. I ain't fixing it. Hold on, let me fix it. I forgot how to fix it. It still ain't fixed. All right, so look. But I can't because it's gonna be blocking my TV. But this is not bad. I actually like it together. Yeah. But anyways, all right, you guys, I finally went to Walmart and I got this dry foam half ball to put inside the bowl. And I got 2 bags of Spanish artificial moss. And hopefully 2 bags are enough. And we're gonna remove the plastic. I should have just kept the plastic, right? It's too late. I already removed it, so whatever. I should have kept it. Okay. And I am going to open the Spanish artificial moss. And I don't want to make any mess. So what I'm going to do to prevent any mess happening, I hope this is enough. I think this should be enough. Okay. Oh, I don't like how this feels. There's a reason for my madness. I don't want to have any. Oh, this is so pretty. It has a stink smell to it though. Oh my gosh. You guys, I think 1 is enough. I think 1 is enough. 1 is definitely enough. One is definitely enough. Hold on. this is the final product. I like it. I could definitely dig it. The Spanish moss is giving me this vibrant green versus than the other artificial moss. So this is what I was going for. So I'm about to clean this lantern with bleach and soap. Here's the before. I will show the outcome later in this video. Y'all, I have to say this. The sponge and brush that I am using to clean this lantern are not reusable. I don't think anything that are being used to clean mildew are reusable, so please throw them out. Now that the lanterns are dried, I'm going to seal them with this product, let them dry overnight, and add another coat tomorrow morning. Alright you guys, here's the after. I am very well satisfied with the outcome. And bang, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, boom, boom. And there goes the second lantern. Alright, so now that oh my gosh, the only thing I don't like, and I need to find a way to get rid of the smell. The Spanish artificial moss has a funny smell to it, and I don't too much care for it. So now that I am done, I don't have nothing to do. Y'all, honestly speaking, I don't know. I'm one of those people that will go shopping and get stuff. I'm always buying things for my home. And I want this, and I think I've said this before, I want a gold framed stand up tall mirror right there on that wall. Next to that black cart, I want it to be on that wall. So when I'm stepping out, I could just check myself right quick and be like, okay. You on point. And I kind of like the background it's giving me. I can do my little sit down when I'm doing my TikTok. Yo, I'm addicted to TikTok. I don't know about you guys, but I just jumped on TikTok last month or maybe 2 months ago. I don't remember. And I'm addicted. So I am definitely loving how my whole background is giving me, this is really me. You know, this is me. And I am feeling it. I'm glad I got this bowl. I got it from Target, just in case you guys missed it and skip through this video. Because half of you guys do. And then want to come back and say, did I miss something? Yeah, if you didn't skip through and hear the whole thing that I was talking, everything that I was saying, you would have known. But anyways, I got this bowl from Target. Filled it up with Spanish moss. I am feeling it. I am loving the background. I think this is going to be more of my, I don't know, my backdrop. Not my backdrop, but if I want to record something, this is it. This is it. But I really want, and because I have it in my mind and I'm already visualizing that I have a gold frame mirror there, I am going to get it. I just want the sucker to go on sale. Just like the eggshell went on sale and I didn't get it for $500, I ended up getting it for $280. I want that mirror to go on sale. Instead of $500, that sucker need to go down at $200. And I am going to put it out there. I'm going to manifest it, and I am going to get it by the end of this year. Mark my word. All right, people, it's been real. I am going to try to get rid of that smell. I don't know what to do with it. I think because it was in a bag for so long that the smell must have, oh no, but I don't like the smell. I'm not really feeling the smell, but it's about to rain. I'm about to do some stuff. All right, folks, all righty. Peace out.